Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Throw. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of those black bars during executions in Ascent Combat Framework. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your CCM Camera Manager. So when I select my plugins folder, I'm just going to look for that CCM Player Camera Manager BP. And now when that's open, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to make sure this is selected. And when I scroll down under my details tab, I'm going to look for this camera actor class. And by default, you can select none, which will crash your game if you do, because I've tried this whenever there's a time for execution. You can select camera actor or cine camera actor. And what you're actually going to do is just click on this plus sign to create a new one. So I'll just call this test camera. And that's just because both of these cameras, cine camera actor and camera actor, both show those black bars, which we want to get rid of. So in our test camera, we can leave everything default, but all we need to do is just uncheck this constrain aspect ratio. So when I untick this is going to allow us to get rid of that black bars too, so we're not constrained to the aspect ratio. So now back in my CCM Player Camera Manager, I'm just going to select that new camera actor one we selected, hit compile, save, and just try it out on this enemy. So when I go ahead and just get this guy really low and start do the execution, there are no more black bars. And pretty simple tutorial here. Thanks for watching Code Throw. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.